Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Oh, you know what? You? Am I right? You know what? Yeah. Okay, step to the back a little bit. Perfect. 5, 6, front up. Yeah. Back a little bit. Come on. Respect the line. Wait. 5, 6, 7.
See how you mean? It should be the same. Don't listen to them. You try to listen to me. Ding, 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 guys, boom. If I do like this, I'm not gonna forget it, so faster. So T, 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 guys, boom, blah, boom. Head, body, length. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, step back. Front, back, front, side, side, roll, front, stop. Shoot, bump, run, stop. Bop, bop, harder, whatever. Stop, walk, bend. Okay, now easy. Low. Nobody there. I swear, for real, that's a funny shit.
And if you're following your seriously, that can be hard.
I'm from there.
Alright. So much fun.
I am doing too much my point. And I will go back to the amendment. See it? Gotcha.